Elise. There's nothing there. We have also our own batch of ambassadors and watches the past few years. But when we saw Elise, my marketing team, my sales team, plus the management, we said, okay, just sign her. If you're happy, sign her. Okay, and people love her. We've seen the post that we've done in puzzle thing, di ba? Guess who? Wala pang 4 na puzzles yun. Alam mo na, it's at least, I don't know how. I'm amazed also. So, without much explanation, I think we kind of know why we chose Elise also.